Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Sudhakar Excellence. Maths 2B, 2 marks most important questions. First one, if the length of the tangent from 2 comma 5 to the x square plus y square minus 5x plus 4y plus k is equals to 0 is root 37, then find k. K value find out cheyali. Solution, given circle S is equals to x square plus y square minus 5x plus 4y plus k is equals to 0. Next, length of the tangent. Length of the tangent is equals to root 37. Given point P of x1 comma y1 is equals to 2 comma 5. 2 comma 5. ఇక్కడ length of the tangent formula మనకి under root s11. This is the formula for length of the tangent. So మనకి length of the tangent ఎంత ఇచ్చారు? root 37. Squaring on both sides చేసి ఈ రూట్ ని ఎలిమినేట్ చేయొచ్చు. Squaring on both sides ఏమవుతుంది? s11 is equals to 37. Here s11 means x1 square plus y1 square minus 5x1 plus 4y1 plus k is equals to 0. Sorry, s11 value ఇది కదా, is equals to root 37. x1 y1, x1 means 2 square plus y1 means 5 square minus 5 into x1 means 2 plus 4 into 5 plus k is equals to 37. 2 square means 4 plus 5 square means 25 minus 5 into 2 10 plus 4 into 5 20 plus k is equals to 37. 25 plus 4 29 minus 10 plus 20 plus 10 plus k. 29 plus is equals to 37. 29 plus 10 39 plus k is equals to 37. ఈ 37 రైట్ సైడ్ షిఫ్ట్ అయితే మైనస్ 37 అవుతుంది. సో k is equals to 37 minus 39. k is equals to minus 2 is the answer. This is k value.